Hi, this is How To's. In this video we are going to see how you can schedule a meeting or block a time on Google Calendars. Google Calendar is a time management and scheduling calendar service developed by Google, and due to prevalency of Google, it is used by almost all the professionals in the industry. To open Google Calendar, you can either log into your Gmail account and then go to Calendars, or you can type in the link calendar.google.com and the calendar will open directly. To schedule a meeting, first of all, go to the date at which you want to schedule it and then click on the time. Now here, enter the meeting details, like the title of the meeting. If you want to increase the duration of the meeting, then click on the time and increase the duration. Click here to enter the email ID of the guest that you want to be present for the meeting. You can also add Google conferencing link for the guest to join online. Further, you can also add the description for the meeting. And any attachments as well by clicking here. You can also customize the meeting tile color by clicking here. And also set the notification reminder for this meeting. After entering all the details, click on Save and your meeting has been scheduled. So, this is how you can schedule a meeting in Google Calendars. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.